Hello traders, Mark here. Today was a fantastic day in oil, and I want to do a quick recap on the trades that were called and taken in the room today. So let me just do a quick summary of what I look for. First, I use a higher time frame chart to determine the trend direction. And I determine that trend direction using what I call LCP zones. LCP stands for last confirmed pivot. When I have an offer zone, which is this red box on my high time frame, I want to be looking for shorts only. And this is what my high time frame looked like today. You can see offer zone, shorts only. Okay, then I come down to my trading time frame, and I want my LCPs to be in alignment with my high time frame. Meaning if I have an offer zone on the high time frame, I also want to see an offer zone on the trading time frame. Here is my offer zone right here. This first trade taken is what's called a trend continuation. I'm expecting a continuation of the trend. Price retraces. I look for this stochastic signal. When it prints, I have a red shaded region on my chart. Here's my bar that I look for. I call this the PPT bar, and I look for confirmation. So I got short in here at 44.34. First target 15 ticks. I risk 15 to make 15, and then I aggressively manage my stop. I took my first target here at 15 ticks, and then I used my trailer, and I was able to get a total of $380, and I'll show you the trailer. So as pivots keep making fresh lows, I just trail my stop above these pivots. Here's a pivot. I'm above here by 5 ticks. This one above by 5 ticks. So I got stopped out here 44.12. Okay, let's move on. Next trade came after news. We had news at 9 o'clock this morning. Oil spiked up. Remember, we're still in a downtrend. This time, though, look, instead of an offer zone, I actually have a bid zone below me. Oh, wrong drawing tool. Let me change that up. Here, I have a bid zone below me right there. Well, what does that mean? Well, it means that my zones do not align with my high time frame now. Let me get rid of this zone up here. Remember, I said I want them to line up. They don't line up. So I use what's called a deep retrace setup. It's either a money pattern or a weaker high to get short. In this example, I had a money pattern. I got short here at 44.21. I was able to move my stop on this down move, and so instead of a 15 tick loss, I took a 9 tick loss. There's a $180 loss. Shortly thereafter, oil rallies up quickly and puts in a money pattern. This happened very quickly. Entry 44.34, first target 44.19. Trailer just killed it on this trade, 43.93. Total profit $560. Got taken out above this pivot right here, 44.93. So now I just sit on my hands and I wait for my next setup. And that happened right here. Again, this was my offer zone. Price broke above it. I'd never had a stochastic signal here to take a trade. So I did not take a short here. Price then puts in a bid zone. So again, I'm looking for the deep retrace setup. Here's the money pattern. Entry 43.70, target 43.55, and then got an extra 17 ticks on my trailer for $320. Gang, just over 3 hours, that's $1,000 in profit with 2 contracts. Great way to start September. Follow your rules and day trade for cash flow.